Mexican beef and beans. This is one of the dishes that I made using bolognese sauce. So batch cook the bolognese sauce and then make this dish. The Mexican beef and beans can be used as nachos. You can use it as part of a wrap, tacos, with a baked potato, quite a few different options. A few simple, cheap ingredients. Cook your baby kidney beans and fry them off with your onion. Throw in the carrot and the seasoning. Cook it out a bit, then put the bolognese sauce in there. Rinse out the bolognese sauce container with the vegetable stock and then pour it in. Reduce it down by about a third, a quarter to a third. Throw in the frozen peas. You can use frozen corn as well if desired. Keep on cooking it out. Adjust the seasoning if needed. Taste it. Okay. In a non-stick fry pan or on a barbecue, toast a couple of tortilla bread. Serve them with the beans and a little bit of shredded lettuce. You can also put tomato slices and some onion with it, or serve it like this: a dollop of sour cream, some cheese. You're pretty much only limited by your imagination. Really, really easy to do.